Hello everyone, welcome to Susan's Kids Kitchen World. I'm 10 years old and I love to cook. Today I'll be showing you how to make part 2 Swiss soup. Let's get started. First I'll take water inside the pot. I'll put it back on the fire. The water have boiled. Now I'm going to put bouillon. I'm going to take a spoon. Put just a little bit inside. Mix it. Put all the chicken. I'll taste if the bouillon is enough. I'll put just a little bit more, that they have a little taste. That's enough. I'll put first just the carrots. Let the carrots boil a little bit. I will take a cover to close the pot. And wait for a while. I'm going to put now all the vegetables inside the pot. Open it up. Smells delicious. Take a spoon. Put all inside. I have the celery and the leek. All. It looks a lot, but you'll get later spoiler. The food is ready, and comment down below who is going to be the winner, Swiss soup versus Nigerian soup. Thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Here and here are going to be more of my videos. Bye!